Hello everyone, welcome and welcome back. If you love bags and SLGs, designer or not, please do consider subscribing to my channel, click on the notification bell, and together, let's enjoy these beautiful pieces. So today, I'll be sharing with you my latest purchase. This is from the brand called LuxeWallet. LuxeWallet is a brand that creates different beautiful budget wallets, and I'm so happy I was able to get this one. This is a very beautiful budget wallet. So this is it. Inside they have this thank you card, and they have this separate budget envelopes that if you want you can put the labels, but this package I did not get the stickers, so I just got the plain ones. This package has this 3 envelope wallets, plastic envelope wallets with beautiful silver zippers, zipper pulls, and it also comes with 3 budget sheets. And this is the wallet, so beautiful, and it has this Chanel vibe, Chanel styled handle. So let's open this. So beautiful handle. You see it has the gold hardware with a pink piece of leather that is placed in between the chain. And then let's open this one. This is the wallet. So beautiful, so soft. I think this is a faux leather, but it feels so smooth, and stitchings looks very nice and clean. It has this gold zippers with a gold zipper pull, and it also has one D-ring to place this chain or a handle. Now let's open. It has a smooth zipper. I love smooth zippers. So on the inside it has this gold rings. Let's move that one. So on one side you can see it has one small pocket, beautiful lining, pink as well, and it has 1, 2, 3, 6 card slots. I also want to have this one, the gusset. This makes, I think this is where you have to place your phone. Yes, that's the slot for the phone. On the other side they have their logo, one small pocket and one zippered pocket, smooth zippers again for the coins, and more card slots, another 6 card slots, and this is for your pen. So this is such a beautiful piece. I love the design, the layout. And let's see, let's put this one's the pocket for the, you can place your money, your budget money. I think I want to buy more from them. I'll buy more sheets so that I can and I want to get the ones with the stickers on them. I think that would look great. Okay, so I have 3 at the moment. You can also put some, I think this A6, this is size A6 or A5, I have to check. And then you can put the paper, the notebook that is in this size as well, then you can put your budgets. But they have their budget sheets that you can easily write. This one, the amount and the balance. You start to budget your money. You can put this inside each envelopes that you can track your budgeting your money. So I think that is how you do it. This one, so beautiful way to manage your budget. This is the first that I have seen this kind of design. I haven't seen anything Chanel like, and this is so beautiful. They also have the black quilted version, but I opted for the pink. As you know me, I really love pink, and I'm excited to use this start of the year, to use my budget. If you have this beautiful budgeting things, it will make you enjoy budgeting even more. So this video is not sponsored. I just want to share with you that you can also do your budget with style. So this is a very fashionable way and enjoyable way to make your budgeting. Have you heard of the budgeting scheme, the 70-20-10? The 70 is for the utilities, everything that you need to make your budget for. The 20% is for the savings, and the 10% is for tithing. I don't practice tithing before, but ever since I tried, and I was really amazed of what it did to my budgeting, I started doing it. So one time, a typhoon came to our country, and I decided to give my 10% to the victims of the typhoon. And I was shocked. After 3 days, the money that I gave returned to me through another design job, and it tripled. I was so amazed to find out that God, when I gave to God, God gave it back to me times three times. And ever since then, I started to do this tithing thing, and it blessed my life. It blessed my budgeting as well. And if you want, you could try it as well, and see that God never wants us to win in this being generous, in this generosity game, because He is the one who is really generous and gives everything to us. And we just have to trust Him that by giving our 10%, He will bless us even more. I'm so happy that I was able to buy this beautiful piece. And if you want, you can also try to check their website and find their different styles that you might want to purchase to make your budgeting even more enjoyable. I'm so happy on this beautiful purchase, and that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching, and remember, let's always thank God for all these beautiful blessings. Until next time, bye!